I don't have such a hot question. No, I'm great. I'm having a great time. Um,
How
this
did you find the event and how is it judging the event? How do you find the contestants as well?
Well, it's really great to be on the other side of the table because I've been there. Know the pressure, but these kids, they were all so amazing. They were all so great. They got the best fashion, the best personality, and I think everyone stood out. It was a hard decision for all of us to make because everyone was so stunning, so eloquent. But at the end, the best won, and I think I had a great time looking at all of them. It's a journey that I witnessed, the journey that I lived.
Is it difficult judging a talent contest?
I think it's definitely very difficult judging because everyone's really, really great out there. Everyone's putting their best foot forward. And you can't be too hard on them. I have been through that. So it's very hard being hard on them.
So for all those contestants who couldn't make it, what would your advice be?
This is not end of the world. There are so many more things coming your way. Like, this is a journey. A door closes, a door opens. So keep thriving. Keep your heads high up. And I know you're going to make everyone, but most importantly, yourself proud.
On the professional front, anything happening as far as Bollywood is concerned?
Well, sure thing. I think there are some announcements coming your way soon. Hopefully this year. So,
Films?
yes. Thank you so much.
Well, that was a fantastic event. I really liked being a part of it. The competition gets very tough because every other contestant were so much prepared. They were from different parts of the country and they were having their own essence. So it was getting difficult because I personally loved answers of everyone because they were distinctive but purely coming from their heart. So something that I really loved. Well, I think what it reminded me a lot about my journey because even I started my pageant, something like that, walking on the stage, and it made me remember how vulnerable we are for the first time or the second time when we face the stage. So it reminded me back to the days when I used to be a contestant. Yeah, thank you so much.
Of Mysore Fashion Week, I said the OMG Fresh Face is getting better and better every year. Last season also had come, season 2 पे भी आई थी मैं. बहुत अच्छा था, very well organized and इस time पे तो OTT platform पे भी है. So it's a very good opportunity for the freshers so that they can watch themselves and to betterment and the growth of the property. Yes, I was. Of course, there's a lot of improvement, and the jury, including the jury, the guest, everything is different, and it's a very well done, classy done. You can say the pageants which happening on the national platform, it's happening that way. It's very good, and the 3 days, whatever the hard work they put in, it shows on the stage how they work. Thank you.
And I wish a lot of success to Parimal for the grand successful event. And we have been associates since 5 years with Parimal and he's doing amazing job. So a lot of good luck and best wishes to all the team members, Parimal, everyone. And I wish a lot of luck to them. Thank you.
Being a part of this latest event. Tell us about your experience.
Okay, sure. Should I? Okay. I'll do last.
Hi, I'm Kanagi Desai, the beauty editor at Elle India, and my experience was fantastic. I think we need a platform like this for hairstylists, for people with skill, and to showcase their skill, and these are the people who are giving you that confidence in your steps, so it only makes sense to motivate them.
I am Shreya Merchant, Technical Ambassador with Streaks Professional, and as I would second what she said, that it's a great platform. I think also for the Hairstyle Icon Award that we had from the Streaks Professional along with the FOI, both put together was a great experience. I've always been a judge judging hair contestants. So this time being a judge for a beauty pageant was quite an amazing experience and a platform for me also. So I really enjoyed my journey. That's great.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Chabra, Head of Streaks Professional, and I am really, really happy that this event has turned out the way it has. This has always been our endeavor. Education has always been something that we look at. We need the talent that is there, the raw talent that is there in all the pan India, and this is just an effort, a very small effort from our side as Streaks Professional to give this platform to the talent that is there pan India.